honesty, objectivity, leadership, openness, integrity, accountability, and selflessness. These are 7 sacred principles given by Nolan Committee, which are not only required to write good answers in your mains answer sheets, but to make yourself a better public servant. Most of the students do not score well in GS paper 4 because they apply the same strategy which they have earlier applied in GS 1, 2, and 3. They simply forget the fact that ethics is not a paper, it is a way of life which you have to apply not only in your examination but in your public service life. So to meet all your requirements regarding GS paper 4, Kalam IAS Academy has launched a one-stop solution, Ethics Marks Improvement Program 2023. This is a 3-in-1 course which includes 20 hours plus recorded lectures. Not only lectures, it will include a specific case study oriented workshop and face-to-face assessment of all your mains answers. So if you want to excel better in GS paper 4, click the link below and join this 3-in-1 package by Kalam IAS Academy, which is simply 499 rupees away from you. Good luck.